Hey there, let's learn how to make this walnut tabletop in under 5 minutes. Alright, head out to the sawmill and get some walnut. Then slice it up, mill it, glue it, and my favorite part of this project was to route it. Okay, with every pass, I gotta take the router bit a little bit lower until I get all the way through. Then, pop it off, see if you did it. What I like to do next is mix a little 5-minute epoxy with some black t-shirt dye. And then I'm gonna pour that into some of the bigger knots or any holes that I find. Next, I like to trim up the edges with a flush trim bit. If you haven't tried card scraping, I highly recommend it. It's a great way to smooth everything out. This is one of my favorite parts of the project. Now I'm going to find out how well I'm doing, how does the table look. By adding mineral spirits, you're getting the dust off, and also you're preparing the wood for the gel stain that's about to happen. Probably tell at this point that I'm really into using staining pads or painting pads for these processes. This right here is water-based poly from General Finishes called High Performance, and it's one of my favorite products. Alright folks, after 4 coats, here it is. Tabletop is done. Now it's time to move on to the base.